Christian, it's been more than a minute. Fuck. Connor. I need a mag.
That bro, fucking baseball and shit.
Good thing I got that on video.
You got left.
Hit. Fin. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang! Bang! Bang!
Ow!
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! No, dude, it's all good. I do the same thing. Fuck! Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It's all good. It's all good.
It happened to me last week. I went around the corner, I shot the kite. Fucking 3 nipples.
Oh.
That was a spear shot like
Oh, man, yeah, it was.
Just turned the corner and basically shot him.
I was expecting somebody, but
I'm just glad you didn't shoot my phone.